Folks, Taz here. I've got a project going on. It's called a Doggy Dooley. And I went online to this YouTube channel, or on YouTube, to try to show folks or see what other folks were doing. But I'm trying to do it the way the directions say. Now you can, Doggy Dooley, if you're looking this up, it's designed to take care of their poop. All right, sorry, this is bad videography, and I apologize for that, but I'm doing this on the spur of the moment because I'm trying to help folks out. It's kind of hard to see, but you notice you dig the hole for the actual Doggy Dooley, just so you get it where it needs to be, so that lid is flush or just above the ground. But then, that's not the end of it, folks. And if you haven't done this step, you're not going to get the performance out of it that you want. Especially if you got two big, heavy-eating, high-energy dogs like I do. You need to get that hole in the middle down there, down 4 foot below the lip, if at all possible. If not, make the hole a little wider. I'm hitting some hard clay at the bottom of this hole. I've got it about 36 inches down, 38 inches down. I'm not going to make 48. So I'm going to have to dig that out a little wider to make sure I got enough capacity to take care of all these dogs. It's not a project that I like having to do, but we were just bagging it up. You put a lid on the bucket so the flies don't get it. Then you open up the bucket and you end up gagging because it smells worse than a dead possum in the middle of August in Arkansas. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to point that one little important fact out. I don't know which one of my sites I'm going to put it on, but hopefully I can put the keywords up so I can help a lot of you folks buying these Doggy Doolies. I think they're a great invention. I've put in septic tanks before. I mean, it's not that different. It's just you don't have a leach field. I mean, your leach field is right around the Doggy Dooley. Now, I do have it kind of close to a raised vegetable bed, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. I can always move the bed later. But other than that, you're gonna dig up a lot of dirt. Oh, one other thing, if your yard is very, very heavy clay, and that's what I'm hitting here real deep, do a perk test. Fill up the hole with water and make sure that hole drains within 12 to 48 hours. No more than 48 hours. As long as you got that good of drainage, this will work fine. It won't work great in really, really sandy soil, and it won't work well at all in heavy clay that won't drain. So, you may want to test your ground before you order this, but other than that, I think this is the neatest invention since sliced bread. Should work fine as long as you keep Red X or their Doggy Dooley tablets or powders in it. Keep water in it. It's got to have a slurry to digest. But other than that, hope this helped y'all out. Have a great day.